Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. I make videos every week. Now, if you are into wellness, fashion, lifestyle, all of that vibe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and do not forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram. I'm trying so hard to be consistent there as well. So yes, let's get into today's video. As you see on the title, today I thought I could talk about a little bit about the de-bloating video that I shared. I know I shared a de-bloating video, tips on how I get rid of bloating, the easy tips that you can follow any day in your life, and also just a few techniques. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch it. I'm going to try to link it somewhere here so that it's easy for you guys to find. And also in this video, I'll be sharing a few timestamps. I have them on my description so that it's easy for you guys to skip the parts that you do not want to hear. I know you're not all here for the same thing. I just thought I could share the type of foods that I actually eat to get rid of bloating. These are foods that actually help me make sure I have a healthy gut so that I can get rid of bloating, and also make sure that you maintain a flat stomach at the same time. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing my favorite de-bloating drink as well that I have put together that is actually helping me maintain a good gut, and also making sure that it takes care of my situation. So firstly, for me to get rid of bloating, I had to understand the reason why I was bloated. So for me, it was everything has to do with my hormones and my gut health. So I needed to fix my gut health before I could try to take all of these remedies and all of that. And part of fixing my gut health has to do with the food that I'm eating and also the vitamins that I'm taking. So I'll be sharing all of that, the food that I'm actually eating, the food that I've got rid of, and making sure that I actually am healthy. So the first thing that is very important is for you to actually test out and work with the doctor and test out the type of food that is actually making you bloated. Even if you do not work with a doctor, but it's very important for you to make sure you pay attention to your diet and also everything that you're eating. So how I did this was to just eat one type of food at a time. If I'm eating, only carbs, I'm going to focus on that, and then I will slowly introduce other foods. And that's literally what I've been doing. One thing that I think I did share it on my skin video as well, that I got rid of dairy. I saw that eating cow milk and also cheese and all those dairy products actually made me so bloated, and it was actually bad for my hormones in general. So I got rid of that, and funny enough, all of that actually helped me with my energy, the fatigue, and also clearing my skin as well, like I shared on that video. So without wasting your time, I'll just list some foods that I actually started eating that are actually good for my gut. I will start with the fruits. I will just list them here: cucumbers, strawberries, oranges, lemons, raspberries, apples. So all of these foods are actually high in fiber. That's the main thing that you actually focus on when you're trying to heal your gut. Foods that are actually high in fiber, and also foods that are actually natural probiotics, because you need probiotics to heal your gut in general. So those are the fruits. And then when it comes to general foods, you need to add like ginger, turmeric, and also garlic, and also green veggies, broccoli and spinach, asparagus. All of these foods are high in fiber and also natural probiotics. So those are the main things that you need to focus on to make sure that you get rid of bloating or gut health problems in general. And yes, these are the foods that I actually have added for myself. This is a personal experience, but I think these are foods that are actually good for your gut in general. And if you add some of these foods, that might actually really help you. And yes, and these are the list of some of the foods that I actually removed. Like I already said, I already mentioned pasta and dairy products and all of that, but I'll list all of them right here so that you can maybe take a screenshot and see if you remove them from your diet, maybe they might actually work for you as well. And right now, I'm just going to share some of the vitamins that I've actually been taking that are helping me get rid of bloating. And yes, right now I'm just going to share my favorite drink that I've put together myself. And I've also mentioned some ingredients here on this list. It's turmeric, I've talked about moringa powder, I've talked about chia seeds and lemons and all of that. Those are foods that are actually good for your gut. So I've put together a drink that I actually take every single day before breakfast, and I combine it with some of the vitamins that I've actually mentioned. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy. The takeaway from this video is to actually make sure that you test out each and every food that you eat. Make sure you remove or add certain foods, and slowly remove like foods that you feel like might be bloating you. You need to pay attention to your body. You need to pay attention to how you're feeling after every meal, and actually analyze. I know it's very hard for so many people to analyze what you've been eating, every single ingredient, but that's very important when you have stomach problems or gut health problems. So remove slowly, one by one, so that you can make sure exactly what the problem is, and then make sure that you focus on foods that are high in fiber and natural probiotics. Probiotics actually get rid of the bacteria from your stomach that your stomach does not need, that is actually causing gas, constipation, and also general gut problems like bloating as well. So make sure you focus on that. Research so many foods. There's so many foods out there. Chia seeds is high in fiber, and all of those type of foods that are actually high in fiber that can actually help you. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and follow my other socials, and I'll see you next time.